Are you wanting to get your email looking like this, where you're having brand new members signing up every single day? Or maybe you want to be earning some extra cash, like this $613 that I've earned in the last couple weeks alone. Now, I don't show you this to brag or anything like that. I show you this because maybe you landed on this video and you're looking for more leads. Maybe you have a Power Lead System account and you need more signups. Maybe you have no idea what Power Lead System is, which don't worry, I'll go over that here in just a minute. But whatever it is that you're looking for, I want you to pay very to this video, because the information I'm about to share with you and the system which you can get access to via the link in the description, either below or above this video, wherever you're watching it. This system can help you generate an extra $100 or more every single day, and it can also help you build your email list. Alright, so let me just jump into my email list here and I'll show you guys firsthand. Now, as you guys see here, over the last couple days, today's just started, but yesterday I was able to generate 51 leads for my from this one funnel alone. And now I haven't sent any paid traffic to this yet. This is all just using my Facebook profile, which I'll actually be giving you guys a free training. All you have to do is go over to the Six Figure Marketers Club. Let me just open that group up. If you go over to the Six Figure Marketers Club, request access to join, and then the first video right here, that is going to be my free Facebook method where I'm actually generating leads. Now, if you guys want to get access to the Power Lead System the done-for-you system that I've set up, you can get that through the link, or you can just head over to the instantcommissionsystem.com. Alright, so what is the Power Lead System? What is this system that I created? Why should you even care? I'll go over that here in just a moment. But if you guys don't know who I am, my name's Dylan DeFazio. I've been marketing online for a couple of years now, and I struggled for a while, but one of the things that I noticed once I started having success, and once I figured out what needed to happen to actually make money, was I was making money, but the team was not making very much money. Okay, and for me, that was a problem. I don't want to be promoting things that aren't going to help people make money, because at the end of the day, I joined this because I see the potential, I see the freedom in the online business, and I want to share that with people. I want to give people an opportunity to actually go out there and make some extra money. So I set this system up, and I've set up multiple systems like this. This is not the first one, but I've set up systems like this which have converted very, very well, and they've helped a lot of people. Now, I've also used a lot of different platforms to actually create these systems. Now, some other platforms, they go in upwards of 7 steps to set up these systems. But with this system and with the SMS phone leads business, which I'll go over here briefly, that's going to be actually how we're not only going to be earning instant commissions, but we're also going to be getting traffic to this sales funnel. So all you have to do, if you're a Power Lead System member, you just simply go there, copy this code, and then you can actually copy this entire funnel. I've got 14 days worth of emails that'll send out automatically, and you can start earning some very, very good income. Like, this is just income stream number 1 over the last couple weeks, and the system is converting. And as you guys seen there on my Facebook profile, let me just pull this up here. We're getting lots and lots of Power Lead System members. Okay, so like, you see there are 26 leads, 50 leads, right? So we're getting lots and lots of people coming through, which is very, very awesome. All right, so what this system is, it's very simple. It takes less than 30 minutes to set up. And now, if you don't know what Power Lead System is, Power Lead System is simply a software, a digital software that I use to create pages. Okay, so if we go over here, and click this link right here, this is going to be the opt-in page for the system. Alright, so if somebody was to enter in their email, they would get sent over to this simple success page. Now, I'm going to give you access to all this. Everything is done. You get all the emails. You get my sales videos, which, as you guys see, are converting. I haven't even talked to anybody. Literally, I just send people to the system. I make a couple posts on Facebook. People request information, and I send them here. The system does all the selling and telling for you. What I tell a lot of people is, don't talk your way out of a sale. Don't be the person that answers too many questions and scares them away, because what's going to happen is the more questions you answer, the more you chit chat about the offer, the less people are going to want to buy it, because they're going to think they'll have to do the same, right? If I just simply say, hey, thanks for requesting info, here's the system, right? They go through, they like the system, they sign up, and they're ready to earn. All right, so the way this is set up is they enter in their email, the system's going to follow up with them automatically, right? And in step number 1, you're going to get your SMS software. Okay, so I'm not going to go too much in depth of the software, but what it's going to allow you to do is you're going to get your own digital number, which you can use to market this. I'm going to show you how to do that. And there's tons of training inside of the back office as well. And you're also going to get access to the SMS blaster. Now, this is allowing me to send out 200 messages every single day where I promote this system. Okay, so I send out 200 messages every single day, and as you guys see here, the messages are working very, very well. Okay, so that's step number 1. Step number 2 is where you're going to copy this entire funnel. Okay, so what's going to happen is you can get access to the Power Lead system, and now literally all you have to do to set this system up is you're going to copy this link right here. You're going to copy this code, right? You're going to go over into your Power Lead system back office. You're going to plug in that code, and then literally all you have to do is plug in this link right here into the companies where I'm going to show you how to do this. Right, if you look right here, the video is only 12 minutes long. Okay, so it's very short process to actually set it up, but there's only 2 steps. You copy this code, you plug in your affiliate link, and you're ready to earn. Your system's ready, and you're ready to start promoting. All right, it's that simple. So that's why so many people are joining, so many people are getting started, because it is so simple. All right, so that's pretty much it for this video. I want to keep it short and sweet. I want you guys to go ahead, click the button below this video if you guys are looking for more Power Lead System members. If you don't know what Power Lead System is, like I said, it's what I use to create all my landing pages. And for being a part of the 6-Figure Marketers Club, I will be coming out with a membership site, which is going to teach you, how to go out there, set these systems up yourself if you want to go out and promote other businesses. Because like I said, this is the method that I use for every single thing that I promote. Power Lead System is a tool that I use for everything I promote because it is so simple. I can literally set these systems up. This one is awesome because it's only 2 steps. Normally it will be 3 because you'll need a traffic source, okay? But with this system, the traffic source is included. All right, so that's very, very awesome. It makes it even shorter, makes it even simpler, and it makes it even easier for you to make money. All right, so go out there, click that button below, get started, set your system up. Let me know in the comments section below if you guys have any questions or how the system is working for you. We already have brand new members that are going out there, following the formula and getting their first signups already. All right, so stay tuned for more things to come, and we'll see you guys in future videos. Have a great day. This is Dylan DeFazio with the 6-Figure Marketers Club, and I'll see you guys inside of the Facebook group. Talk to you soon.